Okay guys, I'm on Kavu Island for some glitches. Wait until I kill all these guys. Alright, if you play a multiplayer game, this bridge can be here. Sorry. When you turn a bolt crank, this right there. Oh crap. The quality. Oh man. But I have found. Oh, hold on a second. Heck. Alright. I found a different way how to get to that side. Go here, double jump glide, here, land, double jump glide, here. And you're on this side. Sometimes this is visible, sometimes don't, but it is solid and you can't get through it. Sorry. You can also range climb this or simply jump on it. And on this, and on this. And now you have to grab ledge all these things to the end. This right there. Okay. So double jump, glide. Oh man. Sorry. 1.5 minutes. Oh crap. Alright. So do what am I saying? And now grab ledge to the end. And try and center the camera also behind the ratchet. Because sometimes you can be stuck in here. Sometimes don't. Like that. Right, while in this corner, turn around, don't move, no, jump, turn, and grab ledge this. It's too long glitch and I hate it, but I want to show you because it's cool. Oh, well. Oh. Stupid grab ledging is right here. See, you never can jump on. So you have to grab ledge to the end. It's about to here, I think. Now I'll try. Don't. Now. Negative. Now. Negative 0.2. Now. Still don't. Now still. Yes, I'm on here. You can walk on these, range climb, and walk. Oh, you can be on the air, grab the air. You're on top of this. You have to glide down here. Try to range climb. Oh, crap! Hold on a second. Wait, guys, back at this place. I will try to do it now. Yes, range climb, range climb. You're on top. Now, ready your turret and legging in there. I believe I will do it correctly. Yes. Troubleshoot and you're here and no enemies. Hey. Oh crap, watch Sunday Pro IQs or Super Pro 6 UA and turret in this force field, and when you touch this hover ship you'll see what happens. It's really weird, but I will not do it now. Yeah, so go up here, high jump, oh crap, high jump on this, now get on here, now head for the red base. Strike, strike, strike. Now, charge boot, shoot and strike, and you're here. And, see, you can shoot these turrets. But you cannot kill them. That's stupid. Yeah. I found another glitch. Jump on this. Oh no. No, 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 no. Yes. Right, be careful. High jump on this. Now high jump on this small. Please. Oh crap. That's hard. It's too small. Oh crap. Yes, yes. Oh no. No! Don't die! Huh. What the heck? I'm stuck. Yay, that never happened. Alright, if you get on there and charge it to that side, you can also grab ledge all the way to there. But nothing becomes. Well, oh, I cannot press this. Oh, I died. Yeah, and if you turret inside the base, you still cannot kill that turret. Alright guys, just see you next